we are going to do an experiment to explain the Tyndall effect and the properties of the colloid. So let's do the experiment. So we are preparing a solution with 2 gram of the sodium thiosulfate, that is Na2S2O3 5H2O, in a beaker that has been contained with 50 milli of water, and place the beaker in the path of a beam. So intense light beam has been passed through the beaker, and after that the few drops of the hydrochloric acid, the HCl, is added to it, and we has been stirring the solution well. And observe what you find. What you observe. When we stirring the solution, it will be uniformly spread. The HCl will be uniformly distributed to all the areas, and there will be a chemical reaction which happens between the sodium thiosulfate and the HCl, and the sulfur will be the solute, and the water will be the solvent, and we will be get a solute as the sulfur by the chemical reaction, and by the reaction the sulfur will be get precipitated, and we will be becomes the path of the light will be clear to us. What it means? The sulfur particle has the size of the colloidal particles. The Tyndall effect is a phenomena where the light has been get scattered by the colloidal particle. Here the sulfur particle has as colloidal particle, and this will be scatter the light when the light is passes through the beaker. So what happens? The Tyndall effect will be formed by the colloidal particles, and the other examples. The other examples of the Tyndall effect is nothing but the light from the vehicle will be visible in the fog and mist, and the particles will be visible by the sunlight, etc. The example of the Tyndall effect. And here what happens? When the particle, when by the reaction by uniform stirring, more and more solute particle of sulfur will be formed. As a result, after some time, it will be turns from the colloid to suspension, because the sulfur particle will be settled down after some times when the number of the sulfur particles precipitated will be increases by the reaction. So as soon the after some time, the colloidal mixture will be turned into a suspension. So after some times, this Tyndall effect will be disappear.